Welcome back. This video will focus on two other measurements of dispersion, boxplots and outliers. Based on the result of the exam, you have the feeling that you have one poor student and one gifted student in your class. You want to investigate this further. You need two formulas. The minus formula gives you the low extreme value. The plus formula gives you the high extreme value. We already determined Q1, Q3, and the interquartile range in a prior video. Step 1. Insert the values into the formulas. The result of the minus formula shows you that each score below 2.5 is a low extreme outlier. The result of the plus formula shows you that each score above 10.5 is a high extreme outlier. An outlier is an extreme score. It can either be very high or very low and very different from the rest of the scores. Another measurement of dispersion especially offered by SPSS is a boxplot. A boxplot is a graphical representation of your data. Let's see how to create a boxplot with SPSS. Step 1. Click on Graphs and then Chart Builder. In the low left corner of the new window, you see a list of different diagrams. Step 2. Click on Boxplot. 3 different types of boxplots are offered. Step 3. Make a double click on the right one as it is sufficient for our example. Now the top half of the Chart Builder screen has changed. Step 4. Drag your variable from your variables list to the field called X-axis of the chart preview screen. Step 5. Click on OK. The now open window shows the boxplot of the exam scores. The separate dot outside of the figure indicates an outlier at value 2. Next to outliers, a boxplot gives you further information about your data. The thick black line in the middle of the beige rectangle indicates the median. And remember, the median is the same as second quartile and the same as 50th percentile. The top line of the beige rectangle is the third quartile or 75th percentile. The bottom line of the beige rectangle is the first quartile or 25th percentile. The beige rectangle indicates thus the interquartile range. The short line below the beige rectangle is the lowest score, and the short line above the rectangle is the highest score of your data except for the outlier. And that's it. Thanks for watching. The next video will focus on variance and standard deviation.